In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily change the date and time settings on your Samsung phone. Having the correct date and time is important for various reasons, such as scheduling events, receiving accurate notifications, and maintaining synchronization with other devices. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Android device and then scroll down until you see an option called General Management. Once you've found it, tap on it. After that, tap Date and Time. To manually change the date and time, disable the automatic date and time feature. And then tap where it says Set Date. Now you can select the date you want. Once you've selected it, tap Done. To change the time on your Android device, tap Set Time. Then select the time you want, and then tap Done. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.